Hey friends, if you wish to delete or remove the windows.old folder after the Windows upgrade, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. First of all, is it safe to delete the windows.old folder? Hundreds of people and actually thousands of people have confirmed yes, it is very safe. Now I won't go through the command prompt method, but I'll show you a screenshot here because I have already deleted it, so I cannot show it. But let me show you the procedure. Search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Click on C drive, and then you have a lot of files here. So just like you have this folder for temporary internet files, there will be something called as temporary Windows installation files, as it is showing in the screenshot here. Check that box for sure, and actually check all of these boxes because we have to keep cleaning up the system from time to time. And then click on OK, and then click on delete files. And this folder is kind of redundant. It is just occupying unnecessary space. It will free up a lot of space on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.